Yeah, sorry. Good afternoon, all, and thank you so much for joining again today. We will be talking about hemp and skincare, and we are back again with another session in association with Ananta Hempworks. So this is Ananta Sambhasha series, which is going on from last few weeks. This is the 10th session, by the way, and we are talking about today hemp and skincare. Skincare is a very important topic, and as far as hemp is related, there are two aspects in which we'll be talking about today. We'll be joined by shortly by the Ananta team as well. So they will be talking about certain range they have. So prior to that, let me clarify and let me share my inputs and thoughts to this topic as far as hemp and skincare is concerned. I'm Vaidya Piyush Juneja, founder IndianVaidyas.com and certified medical cannabis expert as well. So today let's understand about hemp and skincare, how hemp and skincare is related and how it can help all of us to understand. Predominantly, most of you are either doctors or people who are related with some capacity as far as hemp and cannabis space is concerned. Right. So hemp is very much important and very much like involved with several aspects of skincare. On one side, we have hemp seed and hemp seed oil. On the other side, we have the medical aspect, that is the Vijaya leaf extract or the cannabis leaf extract oils and medicines as well. So there are two aspects, and in fact, we have the entire cosmetic range also as far as Ananta Hempworks is concerned. So they will be sharing the details of that as well in today's session. And so let's quickly have some thought process. Let's quickly understand about hemp as far as skincare in terms of the medical aspects are concerned. Skincare in terms of what exactly like hemp seed oil and hemp seeds are benefited, and the skin cosmetic aspects as well, and more will be shared during this session today. And I request all of you to post your queries, questions during the session. All of you can share your details if you need complimentary samples or certain other details from the company, that is Ananta Hempworks. And accordingly, we will take this session for next 30 to 40 minutes. So first, let me share my inputs for next 10 15 minutes on this topic. And then I think we have Sneha with us. Sneha, if you can quickly switch on your camera and we can introduce you as well in the session, so it will be good for us. So we have Sneha today from Ananta Hempel, so she will be sharing certain details with you today. Right, great. So let's start this discussion. So first, let's understand the hemp seed oil or hemp seeds. One of the best, like richest source of protein, certain omegas like omega 3, omega 6, omega 9, and hemp seed oil specifically when we have prescribed and when we have advised for skincare, we have seen that many people who were having complaint of dry skin, lack of luster, toning in certain aspects, or maybe they have more dead skin scales, and it's a kind of a nourishment also to your skin. So in that way, it's an excellent oil to regular to be used on a regular basis. I think we have Sneha as well now. Yeah, hi Sneha, how are you? You can just unmute yourself as well so that people can listen.
Hi everyone. I
Yeah,
am
hi.
good. I hope everyone is doing well too.
Yeah, fine, thank you. So we are just started. So let me just share my inputs, and then maybe definitely we will have your inputs. And if you have, I think some presentation or some material to display, you can quickly upload in the share button. You can see in the share button you have the option to upload the slides. So meanwhile, I will be discussing. You can meanwhile upload
Okay.
your slides in the. If you click on the share button, it will be having an option of slides where you can upload slides from your computer so that people can see what exactly the skincare range is there with Ananta Ampox. So meanwhile, you can do that, and let me just like take certain
Perfect.
aspects and topics today in this discussion. Great. So as far as yeah, as far as skincare is concerned, I was talking about the hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is for nourishment. Hemp seed oil is for like toning. Hemp seed oil is for overall in regular use. You can use this oil externally as well as internally. Although the fragrance is a bit awkward. Maybe some of you will like, some of you will not like the fragrance of the raw hemp seed oil. The flavor is a bitter. So maybe you will be able to take that half spoon twice in a day. You can take, but overall the benefits are very good. Hemp seed oil can be taken internally, you can apply on locally on your skin, on your hairs. It is very good for checking hair fall, for dry skin, scaling certain kind of mild levels of dermatitis, eczemas, and fungal infection we have seen are being healed with hemp seed oil only. Just the local application of hemp seed oil, and it's an excellent oil for overall general skincare on day-to-day basis. Right, so that is one aspect which you can explore as far as hemp seed oil is concerned. Internally as well as externally, it can be used. Second aspect is the medical aspect. If you talk about the local skincare medicines, like the oil, the skin diseases oil, as far as the local application oil is concerned, where the concentrated Vijaya leaf extract is available. In that, we have seen chronic to chronic fungal infections, eczema, psoriasis, many skin diseases are being very well managed when you are giving a standard of care Ayurveda treatment, and along with that, you are prescribing the external application skincare oil. We have seen it is giving very good results in terms of people who are having these kind of diseases, like and many times they have exhausted all the treatment options, all the treatment modalities, all the standard of care medicines they have taken, but still that chronic skincare issues are not getting healed, and they are very much having issues in terms of managing their day-to-day life. We were having certain cases of psoriasis all over the body, and scaling, lots of scaling, flakes, dry skin is there. And with good Ayurveda treatment, although we are seeing very good results, but when we have included cannabis leaf extract, local application oil in the treatment modalities, we have seen very good healing and very good results within few weeks. Chronic to chronic level of fungal infections, eczemas, and all are very much being healed and treated by the local application concentrated oil that is having Vijaya leaf extract as far as the skin diseases are concerned, right? So that you can advise and that you can prescribe along with whatever the other medicines you are prescribing to the patients, and we have seen very good results in that as well. So that can be the one aspect as far as the medical usage is concerned. Along with that, as far as the other skin issues which are coming to us, so there are certain kind of allergies, there are certain kind of hypersensitivity reactions, rashes. In many other cases also, we need to understand, however, by the way, the Vijaya or the cannabis is, as per Ayurveda theory, is as per Ayurveda fundamentals, is its Ushna Veer and its Pittavardhak. So many times we have seen in skin disorders and skin diseases, Pitt is already being elevated. So please do not prescribe or do not advise in those diseases where Pitt is already being elevated as far as the specific medicines are concerned. But there are certain indications where you can, along with other Pitt Shamak Aushadhis, for external usages. For internal, you have to be cautious. That is one thing which you have to understand whenever you are practicing medical cannabis or Vijaya, especially in the Pittaj Vyadhis. And in skin, we have seen so many issues are directly related to the Pittvardhan, and they are Pittaj. So that you need to be very specific and very clear, because this can elevate or aggravate the problem as well sometimes. So it's not that we are saying that cannabis or hemp is being like we can use in all the diseases. No, to certain specific diseases it's an excellent solution, but to certain pitta vyadhis, especially in the context of skincare, please be cautious and please use in a judicious way rather than just prescribe it to each and every patient. That we need to understand, and accordingly we need to practice that as well, right? And third is, as far as the cosmetic aspect is concerned, this is one of the, again, the hemp seed oil is one of the best ingredient these days, and many leading brands of our country have already infused hemp seed oil in their cosmetic products. Either they have an entire separate range, or they have in their existing products. And Ananta Hempels also, I understand, they have an exclusive skincare range, and we are getting very good results and very good feedback from the patient. Like these days, many companies and many in many domains we have especially in the skincare. I think if we are all talking about skincare, the first thing which comes in our mind is face. So face serum, certain kind of face serums are there, and in Ayurveda we know Kumkumaditelam is one of the best face serum to be prescribed and to be advised, and many leading brands have Kumkumaditelam right now, and it is a very effective, proven Ayurveda oil to for the face, for the glow, for the overall your appearance. So it's an excellent remedy. And in I have seen in Ananta they have the face serum where Kumkumaditelam along with hemp seed oil they have infused, which is again giving us a very good result. I am the medical advisor there as well. So we have seen in many patients it has proven. In fact, not in patient, in healthy individuals, when they come to our clinic, they pick up randomly these kind of face serums and they ask. So we say yes, you can use in day-to-day life. It is cost effective. It is in fact sometimes economical to the other brands which they are using. And with the blend of Kumkumaditelam as far as, and the hemp seed oil, it is one of the excellent solution on again on general day-to-day basis. You can use as a night serum. You can use, and we have seen in many like cases and many people who have given this feedback to us that it is excellent for like when they are using for maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So that is one thing which you can remember. As I said already, for hair you can have certain kind of shampoo, certain kind of hair oil, certain kind of other products maybe you may be using. But for hair care problems, for dandruff, for hair fall, you can all use hemp seed oil or shampoos or oils infused with hemp seed oil and hemp extracts and Vijaya leaf extract, and it's an excellent remedy again. Overall, in general, also we are prescribing and we are like recommending certain kind of other products as well. For the cosmetic aspect, I will definitely like Sneha to add some more inputs to the session today. But for, as I said, for the nutritional, for the medical, hemp seed oil and the leaf extract oil are very much effective. For some specific problem, internal medicines also are advisable along with the external application products. So we have certain kind of tinctures, we have certain kind of capsules and tablets are there having the Vijaya leaf extract. And for certain, for example, we need to understand some broad line when we are treating. So if there is a pathology, if there is a reason as far as certain kind of infections are concerned, and those infections are related to the skincare issues, the skincare problems, in that any kind of infection, cannabis and hemp is having very good properties. It is one of the best antiviral. It has been proven in worldwide research that the multi-drug resistance infections, the superbugs, those infections where there is no solution as far as the other medicines are concerned, cannabis and hemp has proven very effective. So if you come across to any skin diseases where infections are being involved, and you can always add internal medicines as well as the external oils and solutions, and we have seen very good results in those cases, right? So anything which is related to infections, anything which is related to inflammation, anything which is related to scaling, dry skin and all, in all these diseases you can use certain medicines or products as far as hemp and cannabis is concerned. Only with the hypersensitivity, with the allergic aspects, with the aspects where pith is involved as per Ayurveda etiology, please be cautious. Otherwise, you can recommend and people can take it forward. Right. So on that note, I will again request Sneha to pitch in and to maybe share her inputs. And we have certain questions and queries I can see. So we will definitely take up those questions. And I request all of you who are seeing us live, please feel free to post your queries and questions. We are right now live on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere we are live right now across 8 platforms. We are right now streaming it live. So you can post any of your query, any of your question, and we'll be happy to answer that after this talk. And meanwhile, I request again Sneha to please join this session. And meanwhile, Sneha, you can upload your slides and continue with the with your talk and with your discussion. You are there, Sneha? I think she has left. Maybe she is joining in a while. So meanwhile, I think let me just take a couple of questions. It's there. So for dry skin and fully infection with pimples on skin, can we use hemp seed oil? Okay. As far as dry skin is concerned, yes, definitely you can use hemp seed oil. As far as any infection, it is very much advisable. But for pimples or acne, sometimes we have seen that it is not advisable. Again, as I said, you can check nadi. You can see the vikriti. If pitta is elevated, pitta is involved, pith is being already increased, and due to that there are acne and pimples which are generally please avoid, because it will further increase and elevate the pitta levels. So that you need to keep in mind. Otherwise, if you see that is there any issue in terms of the infections, you can, yes, always recommend. If there is a dry skin, you can always recommend scaling, psoriasis, eczema, as I said already, so it is very much effective. You can always recommend hemp seed oil as well as the internal medicines of medical cannabis as well. Right? Sneha, you are there? I think please you can switch on your camera and maybe join the session. Hello. Hello, Sneha. If you are able to listen us, you can quickly join to the session. Thank you. I think maybe there is some technical error, so let's wait for a couple of minutes and maybe if they are able to join in this session, right? So any other question? Okay, so skin allergies also, yes, skin allergies, as I said, there we need to understand that what kind of allergies are there. So certain kind of infections also can cause allergy. So in that, definitely we can use medical cannabis or hemp. That is fine. Sneha, hope if you are able to listen us or anyone else from the Ananta team can quickly respond, and if we can proceed with your session and your talk in this session. Thank you. Uh, so yes, as I said, Dr. Razvi, so as far as skin allergies are concerned, again, if skin allergies are due to some kind of infection, some kind of pathology involved, we can have to see that. And in those infections, hemp or cannabis is very effective. But if the allergies are just kind of an hypersensitivity, or maybe due to pith is being increased and people are allergic in those ways as well, we should avoid that, and we have other solutions as far as Ayurveda is concerned. Great. I think there is some technical error today as far as Ananta team is concerned. They are unable to join in the session. So we'll just wait quickly for another minute. Otherwise, we will take some more questions and maybe we can proceed with the conclusion of the session today. And maybe next time they will be coming up with certain details to be shared. Right. Great. Okay, so there is one more question as far as pediatric population. Okay, so for kids, yes, we can use all the external oils, all the external products you can use for kids as well. It is pretty safe, pretty effective as far as kids population or pediatric population is concerned. But for the internal, please have judicial thought process, and if required, you can always use that as well. I think some slides are there. Just yeah, I think Sneha, slides are being shown. If you can quickly, if you are able to listen us, you can quickly do the full slideshow. The screen should be at a full slideshow
Right.
level. And please start your discussion
Just
also.
a minute. Just a minute. Yeah.
So for pediatric population also you can use that is not an issue, but for external it is fine. For internal, please have uh, under a doctor guidance. So over to you, Sneha, for
Right.
your thank you.
Right, sir. So we have a skincare range based completely out of hemp, which is naturally made with natural ingredients. We have not used any kind of chemicals, parabens, and our skincare range is completely soy-free as well. So now we have the main product of our range, which is the hemp sativa oil. We all know that it is good to consume it on regular basis, depending upon our diet functionalities, but it is equally amazing when applied on skin or hair as well because of its collagen production properties, anti-aging characteristics, and anti-inflammatory agents present in it. It's really good when it comes to infections or treating dry skin or skin with scars and pigmentation as well over a period of time. So our personal care range is made using the hemp seed oil as the core ingredient. From our personal care range, we have a face serum which has three main ingredients, which is rosehip oil, kumkumadi, and the hemp seed oil. It's really good when someone is looking out for the evening out their skin tone. or wanting to switch to a completely chemical-free skincare routine. And this promotes evening down your skin tone and even work on pigmentation, skin rash, allergies. It's completely oil-free and non-sticky. So it's completely safe and convenient to use in summers as well. In combination of this, we have a face serum which has neem, tea tree, and hemp in it. It's really good when used in combination with our face serum, as it is a little bit drying but works wonders for people looking for acne treatments or precautions for the summer skincare. So the tea tree helps in the elimination or occurring of the scars and the the pimples and acne, which is very prevalent in these changing times and the pollution kind of that is there outside. So it suits everybody, all skin types as well. It's not specific to any particular kind of skin type, for instance, oily or dry. When used in combination with the face serum and oil, it works wonders. And we've seen customers and coming back to us with positive feedback. Then we have a shampoo bar, which has jojoba, onion oil, and hemp seed oil in it. We've all have used shampoos for a long time now, but they are not really sustainable when it comes to when we check how sustainable a product is or environmentally friendly a product is. So this is something that can be used by men and women both. There are no such. The common question that we get asked about the shampoo bar is that how we are going to use it on our curly hair or how we're going to use it on our long hair. We get it make hair entangle within themselves. But that's not the case at all. You can just rub it and make a lather out of it and apply it to your hair. And it's also chemical free, paraben free, and sulfate free. So also, people with the colored hair or treatments done on their hair can use it. Then we have a hemp soap bar, which has charcoal and lemon along with hemp seed oil. This also has sheep milk in it. So the soap are made completely naturally with natural ingredients. This is really good for the polluters, male category. They really complain that we do not have a specific skincare range available to us. So one thing that I'd like to highlight is that our personal care range is unisexual. So anybody can use it and it's not gender specific. Then we have the anti-aging and hydrating vanilla coconut soap bar. This has vanilla extract and coconut along with hemp. So anybody facing any kind of dry skin or eczema, this in combination with oil and the body butter can really help you. And since this doesn't have any chemicals, so this can be used on allergic skin as well. It won't give you any such side effects. But definitely suggested to consult a dermatologist or a doctor in place first. Then we have body butter, vanilla, and this is one of our best sellers to share. This has vanilla and coconut along with shea butter and hemp seed oil. Our body butters are summer friendly as well. They are non-sticky, but on the contrary, it is a body butter which is on a higher consistency when compared to a body lotion or a face cream. But it's non-sticky and really helps some people with who do not want to prefer or go for oils in summers. So this is a good option for them. This is another kind. We have a almond and avocado body butter as well. This is for an extremely dry skin and people who do not really prefer the fragrance of vanilla or coconut. For instance, male category or males do not really prefer smelling really sweet or feminine. So this can be a good option for them. Hello.
Right.
Hello. Am I audible,
Yes.
sir?
Yes, yes. Yes, please continue.
Hello.
Yes, please continue. You're audible.
Okay. So this was our personal care range. And to talk about the hemp sativa oil particularly again, this is something that we've received and tested with patients as well. They've given us good feedback that when applied on pigmented areas or people who have even physical pain in muscles. So they prefer to get a weekly body massage with this. This is very relaxing, and some people have, on a routine inculcated this in part of their regular weekly massages or monthly massages. So instead of going on for a body massage with an aroma oil for relaxation, that is something that we all do. But in addition to that, to get more relaxation in terms of, muscle fatigue or pain in joints and otherwise, although we do suggest, muscle and joint pain from our canines range, but a regular massage with this oil can also do wonders. Similarly, for skin rashes and allergies, if somebody is, suffering from eczema or psoriasis, applying this on a regular basis can really help them. So this is the range of Ananta's hemp skincare range when we talk about. And now I'll give hand over to Dr. Piyush to take it forward.
Thank you, Sneha. I think definitely it's an excellent range as far as you people have, and we are using this in our clinic, and we have seen that in many patients as well as healthy individuals, it is working well. And the idea is, see, if you are talking about skincare, the idea is there are two aspects which we need to understand. One is, as minimum as chemicals we should expose to our skin, and overall the healthier options are the plant based aspects are there. So on one side, definitely we are reducing or minimizing the chemical exposure to our skin, and we are using these kind of herbal products or medicines or cosmetics or whatever like we want to. Second is the efficacy. So first is the safety in which we are minimizing the chemicals. So that is one thing which we need to understand. And second is the efficacy. So on the same side, when we are saying that risk is minimum or it is pretty safe, on the other side they are effective as well for certain issues, for certain aspects. And why we use certain kind of skincare products or medicines or cosmetics or whatever, because we need certain results in the terms of nourishing our skin, results in the terms of everybody likes to have glow on their skin, everybody likes to have like delay the aging, reduce the damage which is going on to the skin on day-to-day basis in terms of pollution, in terms of chemical exposures, in terms of infections, in terms of all these aspects are being exposed to our skin. So whenever we are using these kind of products or skincare range, we just need that it is nourishing, it is revitalizing, it is kind of doing repair to our skin. On the same side, we have a good glow, we have a good overall delayed process in terms of our skin is getting aged. So on those aspects, if we are having these kind of products, and hemp cannabis is predominantly effective in all these aspects, and it has been proven in several research studies across the world that this is one of the best solution for anti-aging, this is one of the best solution for nourishing the skin, this is one of the best solution for ensuring that the on a daily basis detoxification of skin is going on. So I think on an overall aspects, hemp skin care or cannabis related medicines and products are very much there to give us all the desired benefits which we are looking for. And that's why I think it is growing at a very fast speed as far as this particular category is concerned. And if you talk about from top to bottom, so you can have hemp hair oil and shampoo based out of hemp, and then you can have your face wash, your face creams, or like face serums and all. You have like body butters and those kind of aspects for your body. So I think overall in many aspects you can take care of your skin, your hair, your face, your body by these healthy better options which I say as compared to the chemical based solutions. So I will request all of you who are seeing this session today, please visit their site, explore whatever the products. Any doctor wants to have sample, you can just let us know, you can comment us, you can share your details, we will definitely connect you with the company. And as a doctor, as a medical practitioner, I always recommend these kind of products and medicines and skincare cosmetics and all, which are safe to all of you, and on the same side are effective. So on that note, again, thank you so much. Happy Holi in advance. Today and tomorrow you all will be celebrating, And in fact, this particular, I think the relevance is very good that we are doing skincare today, because your skin will be exposed to certain kind of, although play safe, have herbal organic colors and all, still we can't avoid sometimes. So I think these kind of products can help you in doing that kind of repair as well after an exhaustive holy session with your friends and family. So thank you so much again to all of you, and a very happy Holi to all of you as well. And thanks, Neha, for your inputs and like your session today. And we are looking
Thank you,
forward to
Dr. Piyush. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today, and happy Holi to everyone.
Thanks. Thanks.